You used to have to install solar panels on your rooftop to benefit from solar energy. Now with Community Solar, you can get the benefits of solar energy without installing expensive solar panels on your roof. Community Solar is great for the environment and provides people with affordable local green energy. Best of all, participants in Community Solar receive clean energy at a discount without being charged any extra fees. How does Community Solar work? Developers such as Modern Renewables build solar farms which feed clean energy into the local power grid. Your utility then provides your house or apartment with solar power. As a subscriber, you will continue to receive your power from your utility, PSE&G. And as a member of Modern Renewables, you will receive solar credits on your utility bill, reducing the amount of electricity you are billed for. Then you will receive a 21% discount on the value of those solar credits. In this example, instead of paying a total of $120, you only pay a total of $99, which is a $21 savings on your electricity costs. That's right, with your enrollment, you are guaranteed a 21% discount every month on the value of the solar credits allocated to your PSE&G invoice. Bottom line, you pay less money for electricity with no upfront or extra costs, and you help the environment for future generations. Satisfaction guaranteed, no fees, cancel anytime without penalty. Modern Renewables.